In this video, you will see how to zoom in Outlook on your MacBook. If your text is too small, then you can zoom your email like this, so you can easily read the text inside the email. And you can also reduce the zoom in if you want to. It's very easy. First, what you need to do is, on the main menu bar here, you need to click here on the Format tab. After clicking on the Format tab, you will see here the option of increase font size and decrease font size. So you can zoom in and zoom out using these two options. If I click on increase font size, as you can see, the font size has increased. Similarly, you can keep on clicking on increase font size until you reach a comfortable font size for your reading. The keyboard shortcut to zoom in and out is press and hold the command key on your keyboard and press plus to zoom. And if you want to reduce the zoom, you need to press and hold the command key on your keyboard and then press minus button on your keyboard. So you can do it multiple times to zoom in and zoom out in Outlook email on your MacBook. Now check out these useful videos. If you want to learn Outlook on Mac quickly, click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. See you again in the next one.